become the destination for literally thousands of Mexicans. They are farm workers who come to BC every spring for work. And today, Mexican and Canadian officials were meeting to discuss the risks when the influx begins. Brian Coxford has more.
They need the heat of the sun so they can mature and change color. Our cold winter and spring has slowed the lucrative blueberry crop in the Fraser Valley by 2 to 3 weeks. And that means thousands of Mexican farm workers who could come here to help with the harvest are also on standby back home.
They're doing pre-screening at the in Mexico City before they depart, so they're taking all the precautions. They're very concerned about this as well.
The delay has given the farm workers who hire and board them and the Mexican and Canadian governments valuable time to set up medical screening of the foreign laborers in Mexico to make sure they're not infected with swine flu virus when they arrive here.